This is a short tutorial on how to log into your Google Apps account for Ed and how to use the Documents feature and the word processing application that you can find there. So the first thing the student will do is click into the email for the Google Apps, and it is their first name dot last name at mybisd.net, and then their password is their lunch number, their ID number, and tiger, just one tiger. Of course, that's not mine, but okay. Then they hit sign in. Once you're in, you're going to notice that we're in the mobile view for documents, and you can use either the mobile or the desktop, although you're going to have a lot less functionality in mobile than you do desktop. If you want to start out at mobile, you'll notice that we've got this little drop down button. It looks like a pencil and paper, and you can start a document or a spreadsheet here. So I'm going to start a document. And I'm going to start a document. There we go. Okay, so when I click into it, it allows me to title it. So I'm going to title it, and I'm going to hit create, which my finger's not cooperating today. There we go. Come on, create. There, okay. All right, then you just click into the blank area and you can start typing. But there's not too much you can do there. So I would highly recommend going into the desktop area, and when you're in desktop, it's going to look like your more traditional Google app that is the document. You'll notice that it does get an error. Just say okay or cancel or whatever. It's no big deal. And when I go to type, it does its thing. Yeah. Okay. So now I go to type, and you can see that I've got bold, I've got highlighting, I've got all of these other features over here. I can put a picture, a link, I can bullet, I can change what type of font it is, I can change the size of the font, I can make it a different type of heading, and it's doing everything in real time. I can also invite a collaborator with me, or 2 or 3, by going to the share button. And when the share comes up, it's going to allow me to put people in by entering their email address. So I would click in here and I would type in, let's say Marcy, for example. And I'm writing to her mybisd.net, and you'll notice that she exists there. So great. Now I can decide if I want her to edit, if I only want comments, or if I want her to be read-only, which would be view. So I'm saying yes, I want her to edit. I can send a copy to myself if I want to, paste the item itself into the email, which you really don't need to do either one of those, but anyway, save and share. So now it's sharing, and if Marcy were to start collaborating with me and we're both in at the same time, we can both be seeing our changes as we type. And it does this thing forever. And so I'm just going to refresh my document. And that's how you use Google Docs. I'm going to cancel that. Again, you have more functionality once you go into the desktop. I can always then go back to Google Docs by clicking on the Google Docs little icon. And now you'll see I'm back. I've got test is there. I can sort. I can sign out, or I can go back to desktop. And again, here I would be able to organize it a little bit more. I'm going to bring this up. And you can see I can create new. There's presentation applications, spreadsheet, form, drawing. So I can also upload from something that I have. This is really much more of a PC thing where you can actually upload something that you have on your PC. Okay, hope that makes sense, and good luck in your Google Docs.